Welcome to this edition of BurnTech University, presented by United States Stove Company. Always refer to your owner's manual for maintenance and operational guidelines. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you. In today's video, we will show you how to properly assemble your CCS14 or CCS18 Caribou Camp Stove. 1. Begin by unpacking all the contents of the carrying bag. Some components may be packed inside the firebox. Two, turn the stove upside down and install the legs. Tighten the threaded knob on each leg to hold in place. 3. Stand the stove upright. The legs may be adjusted to level the stove or compensate for uneven ground. 4. Attach the two wire shelves to the sides of the firebox by inserting the ends of the shelf into the tubes on either side of the stove. Once in place, slide them forward slightly to lock them into place. 5. Check to see that the spark arrestor is attached to the end of one of the pipe sections. Extend it so that it is open and turn it so that it is locked in place. This will need to remain open as long as the stove is in use. Once you're ready to pack the stove up, the spark arrestor will need to be retracted. 6. Gather your pipe sections and connect them by inserting the narrow end of each pipe into the wider end of the pipe below it. 7. You can now insert the pipe stack into the flue collar located on the top of the firebox. You will need to follow the next steps in order to disassemble your camp stove. Allow the fire in your stove to go completely out before disassembling it. You will also need to remove all ash and debris from the firebox. 1. Assemble the cleaning tool by twisting the brush head onto the threaded handle. 2. Sweep each pipe section as you disassemble the venting stack. 3. Remove the wire shelves by angling them up, then sliding them back. 4. Flip the stove body over. Loosen the length adjustment set screws on each leg and adjust them to the shortest length. Then, twist each leg to remove it. 5. Insert each item back into its corresponding bag. 6. Insert the body of the stove into the carrying bag first. Then, lay the pipe sections over and around the stove body inside the carrying bag. Next, insert the legs, wire shelves, and cleaning kit into the carrying bag in order from largest to smallest. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at www.usstove.com or give us a call at 1-800-750-2723.